Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix content is not available right now. This is a problem for your Facebook. So if you want to see or you want to see someone post and when you see it, you get this error. This content is not available right now. It means when this happens, it's usually because the owner only share it with a small group of people, change who can see it, or it's been deleted. So here we go. If you have interested post, interested content, please save it. Please back up by yourself before the content is deleted by the owner, or the content is only shared with a small group of people by the owner. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.